The big moment has arrived. Every Harley owner's dream is picking up that new bike. Let's go on the journey and check it out. Let's just have one more look at the Road King before we leave. She's so beautiful. She's so beautiful. But on to the next chapter, on to the new experience. Let's go. Let's hit the road and go and get the new surprise. We're heading down to Northern Beaches Harley Davidson. Fantastic group of guys. As you've heard me say before, I love all the Harley dealerships. I just think we all share a wonderful passion for the same, beautiful motorcycle and culture and heritage. And I do buy a lot of bikes. I do spend a lot of money with Harley Davidson. So I have bought bikes, through both groups here in Sydney, and I've bought bikes out of Melbourne and also actually even Queensland. Some great guys up there at Gasoline Alley. Real support crew behind me. Around about 5 to 10 minutes away from the dealership now. Oh, excited, we're here. We are here. Northern Beaches Harley Davidson. Is that the one you want, Jackson?
Yeah. Few more
what?
sales,
Few
mate.
years,
Few more sales.
Few more sales? No, it doesn't need to be years.
This one is a
What the hell's that
for a
about?
young man like this.
You look good on that bike. You like the new bike?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Hey?
It's a good bike.
Yeah? No. Right, hang on. What are you? So fucking funny.
You wouldn't even fit on that.
You bring them for support and they have to be fucking rude, don't they? What's wrong with that? So we're picking up the new CVO Street Glide. I'm here with Tim at NBHD.
Hey guys, how you going? Northern Beaches Harley Davidson.
Have I bought a good bike?
Mate, you've bought one of the best bikes around. Have a look at this beautiful 2020 CVO Street Glide, street weapon, I think. Absolutely beautiful. 117 fitted, Screaming Eagle pipes.
Is there like as many of these made as like a normal street glide?
No, so CVO are a limited number manufactured in the States, and again a limited number sent to Australia. So You won't see too many out on the road, which is always nice.
So the colour and obviously all the stuff they do with CVO bikes apparently doesn't get repeated.
No, so every couple of years they'll be different. This one follows the original old school stylings of the red, orange and, well, crimson through the black, which is the vivid black, and then the smoky grey pinstripes. So this colour,
it's a lovely
once
colour.
limited, I believe this is the last year of this run, so just a stunning colour. Your CVO fitted with every possible extra as well. Flush mounted fuel cap, heated grips, Screaming Eagle 117 engine, so not much left to accessorise with either there, Dean.
The other thing, Tim, is some people may say, I've got a problem, you know, like an addiction. So I say to people, look, it's a hobby, and I love Harleys, like Harleys in my changing every year. Some people call it a sickness. I don't know. Do you have clients like that?
No,
so
we
I don't
have
feel alone,
lots of clients, and generally speaking, on these top-end bikes, you will retain the most value when changing in. It's not necessarily addiction. I just think it's something that you can definitely, you know, build excitement. I mean, we all get bored. We do, unfortunately. This bike, I think, will definitely keep your interest for a lot longer than some of the other ones, with all its features and, again, the power of this engine. Possibly throw in the 131 crate motor if you did want to, you know, change tyres every 10 Ks, basically. This bike, as is pretty much the echelon of Harley. Been passionate for bikes since I first left school in '95. Worked for Stay in Tune.
Work anywhere, right? Like you could work, you know, for, I don't know, some of these other brands, whether it be American or Japanese or whatever. Why Harley for you?
Harley was one of the only brands that had genuine soul. Harleys will always hold intrinsic value. Say, for example, I'm not too sure if you guys can see, we have a 67 handhead up on display.
Is that the one that's got the signature of Willie G on it?
I believe so, yeah.
So, you know, I met Bill Davidson.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
A couple of years ago he came out. But there it is, there's the bike.
Do we want to start it up?
Oh, it's loud, it's echoes more.
Very. Those bright hearts are beautiful. They won't be too loud on the freeway, but really good around town low. Let people know that you're there.
So I just put Reinhardt slip-ons on the bike. Tim, thanks so much for all your support and help.
Not a problem, dude.
Shake hands, that's
There
right.
we go, I know. I almost give you a hug.
So, bye-bye Road King. Hello CVO. Welcome home. guys at Pro Vinyl. Dean? Dean. Wow, that's worth a lottery ticket. There's not too many of us, Dean, is there?
That's what I'm recording on the... Obviously the paper on there, it's pretty hard to get the print protection film on.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah.
No, I didn't forget to leave my helmet on. My wife's picked me up, so better to be safe than sorry, honey.
I'm a good driver.
CVA Street Glide's going on a first ride. Hang on a minute. What are you fucking doing here?